Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever gone out for a walk and suddenly seen something so beautiful that it stayed in your heart forever? That's what happened to the poet William Wordsworth. One day, while walking near a lake, he saw a field full of golden flowers, daffodils dancing in the breeze. The beauty of the moment filled his heart with a joy, and he wrote this lovely poem, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. Here in this video, I am going to explain each and every stanza along with the rhyme scheme, and at the end of the video, I'll tell you the themes of the poem. Stanza 1. The poet says he was walking alone, feeling like a lonely cloud floating in the sky. Suddenly, he saw golden daffodils beside a lake and under the trees. They were moving gently and happily dancing in the cool breeze. Now imagine seeing thousands of flowers swaying together. What a beautiful sight it is. The rhyme scheme of first stanza is A B A B C C. Stanza 2. The poet compares the daffodils to the stars in the sky. Just like stars shine and twinkle everywhere, the daffodils stretched endlessly along the shore of the lake. There were so many, 10,000 at a glance, and they looked like they were cheerfully dancing together. The poet felt amazed, like he had stepped into a magical golden dream. The rhyme scheme of second stanza is A B A B C C. Stanza 3. The waves of the lake were also dancing in the sunlight, but the daffodils were even happier. Their joyful moments made the poet feel cheerful and light-hearted. He looked at them again and again, not realizing at that moment how special the memory would become for him later. Sometimes we don't know how precious a moment is until it becomes a memory. The rhyme scheme of the stanza is A B A B C C. Stanza 4. Later, when the poet sits quietly at home, sometimes bored or lost in thoughts, he remembers the golden daffodils. In his mind's eye, in inward's eye, he sees them again waving and dancing. The memories fills his heart with happiness, makes his heart dance along with them. It shows how a beautiful moment in the nature can bring joy again and again even when we are alone. The rhyme scheme of fourth stanza is A B A B C C. Now, as I said, I am going to explain the themes even at the end of the video. Let's start. Theme 1. Beauty of nature. The poem shows how wonderful and magical nature can be, full of colors, joy, and life. Theme Next, happiness and peace. Nature brings peace to our hearts and fill us with the joy, even when we are sad or alone. Next, power of memory. Good memory stays with us forever. Thinking about them can make us smile anytime. Next, imagination and emotion. Wordsworth teaches us to look beyond and what we see to feel the beauty around us. Isn't it a lovely how the poet found happiness just by watching flowers? Let's remember beauty is all around us. Even one bright flower or one floating cloud can make our hearts dance with the joy. Like, share, and subscribe for more joyful poems. Bye bye.